The video about the universal S has presented its information clearly and a little bit confusing. It asks the same questions that many of us have sought the answer to. While the information is presented in a clear order, we gain some knowledge about the history of the universal S. We still do not know the answer of where the symbol, shape, or number originated from. Perhaps the video was a little bit too long for today's mainstream. Truly, anything over 4.5 minutes is way too long, and in my opinion, the video could have been summed up in a much briefer way. I thought the video was poorly made due to its graphics and narration, along with the information that was presented. The video is a bit much because of the constant changing and moving of images. Besides showing the image of the universal S, most of the images were not directly related with the spoken text. Multimedia principle is being presented here in the video. The entire video is using graphics, starting with a man clicking on his computer, which I will pull up right here, and continuing on to show different forms of the universal S, graphics of different brands, and how they are closely represented with the universal S and similar looks. Also, the video shows graphs and how that shows data is useful to visually see how numbers throughout various years increased and decreased. The video proves how simple and useful it is to incorporate multimedia principles. It also shows us how much buffer videos can be put in place. It also shows us that maybe the video was a little too long. Modality principles is thought to be used throughout the whole video because there is narration. The only screen text that appears in the video is that of quotes that are taken from online. These are later read to us. The narration also reads over them to share their importance with us. Other than that, there's really no exact correlation between the video and the text, just recorded spoken word. I think Tuft would have hated this video. I think the constant graphic change and just moving around is a little bit much for him. I think he needs a more stiller presentation, more humble. I do not believe that the video would have been regarded as informational in the least. The video for me would have been, if I were to refilm it, it would have been more of a questionnaire and to continue on my search, not just more of pointing out my dead ends. Thank you.